Hey guys, I'm Carl, and today we're checking out the Margo Everything Store 2019 unboxing. I want to box everything on camera, and when I say everything, I mean everything. Let's get started with this first. So first up, I got this 64GB gun. Here's the telescoping stick. And here's the bullet that you usually shoot in. There. You have your usual. Oh my god. Next up, this Publix World One Revolution Wonder card collection. So I was supposed to get the Master and Acura, but they were sold out. And this one was the best. Let's open it. Easy. And as in just a band of mine, here's the Escort, and here's the Acura. Move everything out of the way for the main event. So I was originally gonna go for the OnePlus 6, and I was supposed to get the OnePlus 8, which is $300 more. This will be replacing my old Samsung Galaxy J7 Sky Pro. And why is it less powerful? It's more powerful than the J7. The J7, I checked my bags, and I said this could be a decent more upgrade. And it was fast enough for me until I lost it, so this will be a decent upgrade. Oh yes, the new Galaxy smell. Okay, dun dun dun. Ah yes. You see this? Let's set everything aside. Check like the vintage unboxes. That always take a look at these manuals first. This really useful manual kit. That's mine. Oh, these are nice manuals. And of course I have the info, but I don't want to show it because it might have a seal. Here's my Galaxy. If you've never seen what a Galaxy S7 Active will look like. Okay, that was the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go check out my Facebook page, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the last drive cam of 2019. Bye!